Hey, how's it going? In this Among Us drawing, I'm gonna go over how to draw an Among Us here. Gonna pull a line downward. Right here. Here. Right. Keeping with the parallel thing I talked to you about. So it's like a cardboard box on top of a cardboard box on top of a cardboard box. Okay? So we have a few boxes stacked on top of his head, and that's kind of the way the game is. I love Minecraft. I love Among Us. They should make a crossover game. I'm sure they have many, many tries. That I'm kidding. I'm sure they don't. So now we're looking at this side. As you remember, crewmates have no arms, right? At all. Um, and we're gonna draw the back end of this. So right now it's looking like a Game Boy Advance or something, or like a TV. What I want to do is I want to have a bold shape over here at the front. So I'm gonna double up this line right here because Consider this a little experimental for this channel. But yeah, absolutely subscribe and click that bell and this is just straight up and down. Right here, I'm going to do it only on the outside. Let me know what you like about Minecraft, or which one do you like more, actually. You like Minecraft more, or you like Among Us more? But you're probably here because you like both. Let me know which one you like a lot more. Not a lot more, but more in general. And why? On the line up here. That's the last one right here. Anyways, that is it. That is a Minecraft crewmate. Very simple, very easy. Thank you so much. That was an experimental drawing. Like I said, hit me up in the comments. I'll talk to you. I'll reply to every single comment. That is it. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.